The iPhone 14 Pro Max is the latest flagship smartphone from Apple and is packed with powerful features that make it one of the most desirable devices on the market. Let's dive into its advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: stunning design. The iPhone 14 Pro Max boasts a sleek and stylish design with a flat-edge, surgical-grade stainless steel frame and a ceramic shield front cover that is more durable than ever before. Impressive display. The device features a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology, which delivers smoother scrolling and more responsive performance. The resolution is 2778 x 1284 pixels, and it has a peak brightness of 1200 nits. Incredible camera. The iPhone 14 Pro Max features a triple camera system, including a 12MP ultra-wide, a 12MP wide, and a 12MP telephoto lens. It also includes ProRAW mode and ProRes video recording, which makes it ideal for professional photographers and videographers. Powerful performance. The device is powered by the 18 Bionic chip, which is the most powerful chip ever in a smartphone. It also includes 5G connectivity, which provides faster download and upload speeds. Improved battery life. The iPhone 14 Pro Max has a larger battery than its predecessors, which means you can enjoy all its features for longer without needing to recharge. Disadvantages: expensive. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is one of the most expensive smartphones on the market, which may be a barrier to some users. No headphone jack. Like many modern smartphones, the iPhone 14 Pro Max doesn't include a headphone jack, which means you'll need to use an adapter or wireless earbuds. No expandable storage. The device doesn't include a microSD card slot, which means you can't expand the storage capacity beyond what it comes with. No charger included. The iPhone 14 Pro Max doesn't come with a charger in the box, which means you'll need to purchase one separately if you don't already have one. Fragile back. While the device has a more durable front cover, the back is still made of glass, which means it can be easily cracked or damaged if dropped. Overall, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is a powerful and feature-packed device that is sure to impress even the most demanding smartphone users. However, its high price tag and lack of certain features may not be suitable for everyone.